I have a General Switch Company circuit breaker box and need to replace a breaker of 15 amp. The panel shows a list of breakers with a GE TQL or TQL as being a replacement. I cannot find that breaker. Is this obsolete, and if so, what would be the replacement? I can find a GE THQP style.
Welcome. My name is XXXXX would be glad to assist. Cisco carries them, even though they are obsolete in manufacture today. Click here. I don't have the spec sheet from GE at the moment, but their THQL breakers should be the same as the TQL. The H is just to show it is HACR rated, which is better than the old style.
Okay, what is the difference between a THQL and the THQP that I can get at Home Depot?
THQP breakers are half-size breakers and not made for you panel. Takes a special bus bar for those to make contact and snal into the panel. Connecticut Electric Type U BCUL classified breakers are mechanically compatible with American Switch Arrow Hart Bryant Challenger Cruise Heinz Cutler Hammer, BR Series, Electrician XXXXXX T E Sylvania General Switch General Electric Gould Montgomery Ward Murray Siemens Thomas & Betts Westinghouse. Just found one of the new classified breakers that is compatible. The classified breakers are UL approved and tested in the panels before approval.
Okay, I will try to find the THQL.
Check out these also, Connecticut Electric Type U BC.
Okay.
They are on Amazon for sure here.
Okay, thanks.
You are most welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.